Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily view Telegram messages without scene status triggered. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to open up the Telegram app on your phone, and once you've opened Telegram you will have to look for a specific message that you want to read but you don't want to trigger the scene status on that message. Now for example, this is a message that I want to read. All I'll have to do is to tap and hold on it, and this type of screen will appear in front of me. Now I can scroll down between the messages on this screen like this. Even I can read the latest message that I have received, and if I go back by tapping on the area outside this screen, you can see that 87 messages are still unread. So that's how you can easily read messages without triggering the scene status, and it's very useful when you are not ready to respond or something like that. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.